Hey dudes, HW here. Got a little bit busy with editing some videos this week. Didn't get a tip and trick video out, so I figured I cannot leave the good people of the Tone Junkie world without anything free or entertaining to watch for the weekend. So I'll do you one better. So many people said thank you for those free AC30 62 Stu G profiles. Even the people who didn't pick up the pack love those free profiles. Check them out if you haven't. Why not do it again? Here is some free profiles from a very popular, very pricey American tube amp manufacturer. And these things are crystal clean.